Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply effects to your photos on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the projects button down below, which is the second option, and after that select a photo to which you would like to insert an effect. Tap on the picture itself, click on the edit button down below, and then at the top of this section click on the effects button, and here you are ready to find various effects such as light, and below it you can find these sub categories, these sub effects that you can choose from. Here the next effect can be adjusted by the help of the scale down below. In the duotone section you have various other subcategories that you can choose from, and so on. So tap on the relevant one that you find fascinating and click on the checkmark icon if you are done with selecting and adjusting the effect. So here you can find the result, you can check it out, and if you are satisfied with it, tap on this arrow button in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby adding it to your projects section. So as you can see, it has been appeared here. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.